Take a ride in the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, traction control, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, 8 speakers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.